Wait, I want to see this car up. No, it says this. They. You'll see what they do. If it ever. See?
Ah, that's cool.
Sorry, just getting my take here. Ooh.
All right. Of course, we're on the one with the indicator that doesn't work. Oh, never mind.
These are actually not bad.
Rum kind of sauce.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
As soon as you say that, they just start.
They just-
Yeah.
Not exactly fast.
No, yeah.
I'm expecting to be fast on it. Honestly,
That's rope slippage. Like, that's fucking sus.
that is really sus.
So, like, okay, I was gonna.
Oh, that did not feel good.
Let's go to B and then we'll check the machine in.
Yeah, I was just gonna grab a different car there too, because I'm not trying to be on one with the rope slippage.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Bad.
What the fuck?
I like how the lights are
Like flickering too.
Bro, that shit's at like 15 hertz.
15 hertz. No, it's definitely 144.
Nah, yeah.
The D song is gonna be so funny.
Oh God.
I'm scared.
That's gonna decide where it wants to level. Watch.
Oh.
Find it?
Oh, oh, oh.
It's still open.
There you go.
Uh,
Oh, we're taking this one up.